Hello loyalties, welcome back to the channel. This is Hannah. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. Please click that subscribe button down below, turn on your post notification bell, and we can get started with this DIY. So I want to share with you how I created this beautiful glamorous trinket tray that you see before you. I use 98% Dollar Tree items, you guys, to create this glamorous beauty here. So if you would like to see how I did, then go ahead and sit back and relax and begin to watch. I will leave a link to all supplies in the description box. So you're going to need 2 of these frames here from the Dollar Tree. I want you to take all of the items out or off of it. You want to strip it to there's nothing but the frame left. You're going to remove those little black tabs on the back of it and just get rid of them. You could toss them. Take it outside, give it a coat of spray paint. I use this gold metallic paint from Rustoleum, and it is beautiful, you guys. So I brought it back in, let it dry, and now I am going to decorate this tray. Well, it's a frame turned trinket tray. So I'm going to reinsert the glass, and since we took the tabs off, I'm going to have to use the hot glue to secure the glass back into the frames. So you're going to do that, and then we're going to decorate the trinket tray. So just sit back and watch, you guys. It's pretty self-explanatory. And if you have any questions at the end, then be sure to leave a question down in the comment section, or just tell me what you like about it. If you like it, if you didn't, that's fine too. And don't forget to smash that like button, you guys, and that share button. Okay, all right, you guys, enjoy the video. All right, you guys, this is the reveal. This is the final look of my beautiful, glamorous Dollar Tree Glam trinket tray. You can see where I added my totally dazzled little bling, and I put some on the handles just for added glamorous. And you can also see how I secured my handle down using E6000 and hot glue, so it is drying, so I'm trying not to pick up the tray. And I'm just going to throw a couple of little items on here so you could get an idea of what the tray looks like with something on it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this DIY, and if you did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up, share this video, you guys, and leave me a comment down in the comment section below. I love you guys. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, love, and blessings.